And our customers doesn't want to have illegal flights on their site. So it's quite important to have everything in order, everything approved for doing outdoor flights and have the right authorizations. I'm Bart Daniëls. I'm the co-founder of Skybase and the COO responsible for operations. We are captating the data with robotics and providing insights to the customer with AI and software and data analysis. We, Skybase, are a professional drone operator, and our customers doesn't want to have illegal flights on their site. So it's quite important to have everything in order, everything approved for doing outdoor flights and have the right authorizations. Because an illegal flight is a risk for the airspace user, but also for the customer itself. We are now using the Elios 3 for around 4 years. So very good equipment to fly in confined spaces, but could be used in outdoor as well. The requirements to fly outdoor is that you have to have authorizations and flight permits to do flight outdoors. You have to take into account the ground risk and the air risk, and you have to mitigate that and make analyses to perform safe flights outdoor. We have an LUC to perform own risk analysis, and therefore we can make our own PDRAs, own SORAs, and that's a risk analysis you have to make to perform flights and to get authorizations to fly outdoor. So it's actually calculating the risk, mitigate them, and ask permission to do that kind of risks in ground areas, but also airspace environments. And we made now a PDRA slash SORA for this equipment. And then we got an authorization to fly with it, and now we have to use it as a normal outdoor drone. The steps to get this kind of authorization is that you have to prepare a document, an authorization document. It's a ConOps and a risk analysis, and you have to make it in line with the EASA requirements. And then you submit it to your civil aviation authority, and they are able to provide an authorization. In our case, we applied for an LUC that took a couple of years, but getting the authorization for the permit with the Elios, it took a couple of months.